afternoon from Grand Family Farm. It's a little bit after 1 p.m. and it's about 47 degrees or so. The sun was really bright earlier. It's hiding behind a cloud right now, but it hasn't been too bad. Yeah, they act like they're starving. Start off with a flake of hay, and then I'll go get the grains. Whoa, just hit a pig. Hang on, Harold is also on a fit. Alright. Start off with hay. Ooh, it's raining. Hang on, ducks and chickens. Oh, Petunia's not eating the fence today, so I should be a little bit more patient. Okay, the chickens got their layer crumble and their corn for scratch. Here's only 4 eggs I found in there in the mud. Can't wait for the mud to dry up. Harold and 2 of the babies are over here eating. Petunia and the other 2 babies are over here. Her babies like to go over to steal Harold's grain when they're done with their mothers. Okay, they're all happy with the grain. Got one more flake to throw them. Poor little guy, trying to get in there and get some grain. Hey, bring that egg back here. No, it's my egg. Dang dog. Took it out of my bucket when it was on the ground. Dang dog. It's my egg. Well, the ground's drying up where I can drive on parts of it. Gotta get this gravel too all the way to the barn so we don't have to cut across the lawn in wet season. The kids just got fed and they want to get out and play, I guess. This summer, so they'll get the fences built and they'll get to run. Well, I found I had a cracked egg at the house, so I'm going to try to give it to Penelope if she don't bite me. Really lost it. Gross. So we got a doodle to clean it up. Well, I got everybody watered now. Sure was nice the hose isn't froze. I run up and shut the freeze valve off. Can't wait to get the water down here. Yeah, it'd be nice when I get the freeze valves put in down below. Yeah, those valves down there are shut off for the season. Oh, that sounds weird. That's a new sound for this valve. Anyway, we are going to put freeze valves down there too, as soon as I get the time, the money, and the trench dug all the way to the barn. The doodles decided to take a ride with me. Sure is a beautiful day. Well, we're at the end of this great day. The weather was just great. I hope tomorrow it's the same, if not better. Well, thank you very much for watching. Now I gotta feed these goats.